These are the area of triangles notes, but for side, side, side triangles. So you're gonna use this when you know all three sides of the triangle and none of your angles. So if you look at our formula, it's actually a two-part formula. Here's K equals, K is the area, and then S is something that we have to find first. So we're always gonna do this little part first. So on our problem, A would be 7, B would be 4, C would be 5, and really it doesn't matter, you could switch those around and still get the same area answer. So we're gonna first start by finding S. So you're gonna do S equals 1/2, parentheses, A plus B plus C. And I'm gonna type that into my calculator. I'm gonna do the 1/2 as 0.5 again. So 0.5, 7 plus 4 plus 5. That gets me an answer of 8. So I have S equals 8. And then once you find S, you're gonna plug it into this big long formula here. So you're gonna do 8, and then 8 minus A, which is 7, and then 8 minus B, 4, and 8 minus C, 5. I'm gonna type everything in under the radical bar. I'm not gonna do the square root in my calculator now. So I'll do 8, parentheses, 8 minus 7, close the parentheses, open a new one, 8 minus 4, close the parentheses, open a new one, 8 minus 5. Once I get that answer, 96, I'm gonna make sure I square root it. So second square root, second answer, or just take the square root of 96, and that gets me 9.8. Problem number 4, find the area. This time we don't have a triangle, we just have the three sides, which is fine. So we'll first start by finding S. You'll get S equals 1/2, 23 plus 17 plus 35, my three sides. And then in your calculator, 0.5 times, start the parentheses, 23 plus 17 plus 35. That gets me 37.5. And it's okay that it's a decimal, we're gonna plug it in the same exact way. 37.5, and then 37.5 minus 23, 37.5 minus 17, and 37.5 minus 35. And then very carefully, everything except the square root. So 37.5, 37.5 minus 23, just type that in really carefully. Minus 17, and then 37.5 minus 35. Close the parenthesis, and then you get big number, 27,867.1875, and I'm gonna square root that. It gets me 166.9.